Khan wants you out tomorrow by 11:30 in all your cities, villages and towns. We have to come out with a placard. With a placard telling the international community that there has been a robbery, there has been a dacoity over the right to vote, the fundamental right of the people of Pakistan, by no other than the state of Pakistan. By no other than the state of Pakistan. So, I appeal on behalf of Imran Khan to Pakistanis and to all the PTI workers. Tomorrow is the day which will reckon whether the Pakistanis stand for the dream cherished by the Khan, which brings about a genuine independence for the people of Pakistan. Number one. Two, the rule of law. And third, the social justice. I would say the final two words in Urdu. Khawateen o Hazrat.